Tecno has unveiled the new Pova 6 series with the addition of a Pro variant, the high-end smartphone of the series with a set of cutting-edge features and specifications. The future Tecno's Pova 6 is expected to have a large 6.78-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display that produces a higher resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels with a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. On the other hand, the Tecno Pova SiX's well-known MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset and 2.8 GHz octa-core CPU ensure that the combination of these two mind-blowing processors will be able to take the performance of the new Tecno Pova 6 Pro to another level altogether. In addition to all of the above, there will also be an additional 8 GB of RAM along with 256 GB of internal memory. Furthermore, there will be a dedicated memory card slot that can be used in the future to expand the device's memory. For the huge fan following of photographers, the upcoming Pova 6 Pro might be a very reasonable option since it carries a dual rear camera system of 108MP and 0.08MP sensors, allowing users to record and capture in high quality. The front-facing 32MP selfie snapper can also record and capture in high resolution. Tecno's Pova 6 has the ability to spend all day with its users due to its enormous 5000 mAh battery that can keep it active the whole day on just a single charge. According to my personal opinion, I think that with the launch of the Pova 6 Pro by Tecno, other manufacturers, including Samsung, might face a difficult time in the coming months. Display technology: IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors, multi-touch. Size: 6.78 inches. Resolution: 1080 by 2460 pixels, 396 ppi. Extra features: 120 Hz, 580 nits, peak. Memory: built-in